Welcome to Electrical Preps. So today we are going to be solving this problem. Given that set A is equal to multiples of 3 less than 12. Set B giving us integers between 4 and 3. So they are the set between 4 and 8. And C, the set of 4, 5, and 7. Then we have to find I, A intersection B, I, A union B intersection C, I, A intersection B union C. Okay, so let's start. So A, say the set of multiples of 3 less than 12. So A is equal to multiples of 3 less than 12. So it means that we start from 3, get 6, get 9. The next number will be 12, of which we can't add it because we are looking for multiples of 3 less than 12. So it must not be up to 12. It should be less than. So there's it. Then B, say integers between 4 and 8. So looking at 4 and 8, the numbers between 4 and 8. So we can get 5 there, can get 6 there, you can also get 7. Good. And C was given already, which is set of 4, 5, 7. So let's do the I. It says A intersection B. Don't forget, this means intersection. So intersection, it simply means elements you find in both sets. Okay, so for this case, element that we get in A and B, both A and B. Okay, element that you get in both A and B, that's what we call intersection. So A intersection B is going to be, so you come back to your elements of A and B, you compare. 3, do you have 3 in B? No. 6, do you have 6 in B? Yes, so you write 6. 9, do you have 9 in B? No. 7 in B, do you have 7 in A? No. So it means that A intersection B is 6 because it's only 6 that you can find in both sets. Okay, good. Let's proceed with the II. II, it says A union B intersection C. And don't forget, union, the symbol, it means union. And union, it means that the list of all elements. Okay, so for example, A union B, the list of all elements in A and B. That's what union means. So looking at this, A union B is going to be, so you can get 3 from A, 5 from B, 6, since they are all there, get 7, then the 9. So this is A union B. But the question is asking us for A union B intersection C. This is C and this is A union B. So what it means is that we should look for elements that we can find in A union B that they are in C. Okay, you can also get them in C. So let's do this. So A union B intersection C. Let's compare C and A union B. We have 4 here. There's no 4 in A union B. 5 in C. Okay, there's 5 in A union B. So 5. We have 7. Okay, there's 7 in A union B. Is that all? Yes. So A union B intersection C is 5, 7. Good. Then the last but not the least is the II. It says A intersection B union C. So A intersection B union C. We already have A intersection B. That was our first solution. A intersection B. So that was 6. Then union C. So it means that the elements in A intersection B together with elements in C. So in this case, we are going to get A intersection B is 6. So we can get 6. Then we list the elements in C. So 4, 5, and 7. So this is the solution for this question. And it's grade 8. BEC 2023. Please don't forget to subscribe so that we be together.